Hi everyone, it's Melanie from Living Luxuriously for Less, and today I thought it'd be so fun to do a Dollar Tree shop with me. I wanted to look for some items for the fall that were not necessarily fall-ish, and I came across these beautiful speckled mercury glass bottles with the little knobs on the top. These are so super cute. I could not believe that these were in the Dollar Tree, and I had so many ideas, but mainly, I could use them for like a bud vase. And then on the opposite side of the same aisle, I saw these Eiffel Tower kind of structures, or I don't know what you want to call these little things. You got figurines, but these were really cute. They were like a ceramic glass, and they were in the pink and the white. These would be perfect for a Paris themed party. And I also turned over so you guys can see the number there, the SKU number, in case you guys are looking for any of these items. You can order them at dollartree.com. I also came across these really cute decorative trays, and I thought that these notebooks were super cute. They just said like plan of attack and things like that. And then they had the mermaid glitter notebooks. I thought were really adorable. They would be cute for like a gift for someone in school or something like that. So I thought those were super cute. And I'm filming with one hand, you guys. And then they had like this breast cancer display, and October is the month for breast cancer awareness. And I thought that's, a lot of the items that they were offering, the socks and the towels and all those things were really cute. And especially like if you're going to do a fundraiser or some type of awareness campaign at your school, these are really, really nice to have. And of course, this is something that we always do in the fall during Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So a lot of these things I thought were super cute, and I'd never seen a lot of these at the Dollar Tree. I have seen some things, but not like all of the signs and things like that. Like these would be perfect for some type of fundraiser for Breast Cancer Month. If you are a teacher or, a church or some type of social volunteer organization. They also had like key rings, they had scarves, they had pins. It was just so much cuteness. I just really thought that this display was well put together. They even had like the bath bombs. I like those as well. And they had the gift bags. They had playing cards. I thought that was a nice addition. They had bracelets. They had the little double wall travel mugs that you could also monogram. And speaking of monogramming, I'm going to be doing a Dollar Tree upcycle video very, very soon, and I'm going to show you guys how I've monogrammed some of my finds from the Dollar Tree to make them look luxe for less. They also had this ballpoint pen. I love this polka dot and stripe one. It is so like Kate Spade-ish looking to me. I love that Hope pen as well. There's also this double wall tumbler. Like there are so many, this football, fall is definitely the time for football. Those would be great to throw out like during a pep rally or during a homecoming parade. They also had these little bears, and you guys know my mind thinks in more ways than one. I have a girl baby shower coming up, and I was going to use these little bears in the centerpieces and then give them away to people who have been championed breast cancer, or they know someone in their lives who have overcome breast cancer or going through it. I thought those would be cute as well. They had the headbands and the scarves. I mean, just so many amazing things for Breast Cancer Awareness Month at the Dollar Tree. They also had some excellent things for planners. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this. It was like 323 pieces, and it had so many gorgeous stickers, and I just really need to get in tune with my planner. My life is demanding that I do so, and so finding these were also it was also a good deal for me. I have been looking for these, and of course you guys know I love this color palette, and so I will be doing probably a separate video featuring planning items from the Dollar Tree, so you guys stay tuned for that. And in addition to the planning items, I also came across this fall mailer, and it is definitely not something that was from the Dollar Tree, but it was in a dollar spot at Michael. And I just wanted to spend this fall doing some things that were just out of the norm, like sending fall mail, going on a train ride, picking apples. I mean, so many wonderful things like that I have planned for this fall. So stay tuned for that video. I will be doing some fall decor, but it will be minimalistic. I want to do more activities and make more memories. So I will definitely be including you guys in all of those vlogs. It's going to be so much fun, like pumpkin picking and hay rides and apple picking. I mean, you name it. I just cannot wait to do it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoyed me sharing with you guys all of my Dollar Tree fall finds that were not necessarily the fall decor. I know you guys have seen a lot of those videos. Stay tuned for all of the upcoming videos, and for those of you guys who are interested in taking Luxe Academy, I will be offering a fall course in October. So visit melanieturner.design. I will be sure to leave that link down below as well, so you guys can check it out. And then I will also have a in-person workshop in December. So for those of you guys who are interested in that, you definitely, it's going to be limited students only, but it will be hands-on. You guys don't want to miss it. Like, it's going to be amazing. I'm going to show you guys the backdrop and centerpieces and how to put everything together from start to finish. And on the second day, we are going to do a real live event. So be sure to join us for that. All of the information will be down in the description box below. Have a wonderful weekend, you guys. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers.